Unraveling the Meaning of Bequest, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning journey. In today's episode, we're going to dive into a word that might sound a bit formal and archaic, but it's quite important, especially when dealing with legal or financial matters. The word is bequest. Stay tuned as we unravel its meanings, uses, and provide some examples to help you understand how to use it in context. Bequest is a noun, and it refers to the act of giving or leaving something in a will. When a person passes away, they often leave behind a will, a legal document outlining how they want their belongings and assets to be distributed. A bequest is something that is given to another person through this document. There are two main types of bequests. Subsection 1.1. Specific bequest. A specific bequest involves leaving a particular item or a specific amount of money to a person. For example, I leave my grandfather's watch to my son, John. I bequeath $5,000 to my niece, Emily. Subsection 1.2. General bequest. A general bequest is more about leaving a portion of your overall estate, rather than a specific item. For example, I give 10% of my estate to my friend, Sarah. I bequeath 1/4 of my assets to my favorite charity. Now that we understand what a bequest is, let's look at how to use it in sentences. The ancient painting was a bequest from her grandmother. He received a generous bequest from an unknown benefactor. In these sentences, bequest is used to describe something that was given or left to someone through a will. It's important to note that bequest is different from inheritance. While both refer to receiving something when someone passes away, inheritance is broader and can include anything received from the deceased, not just what is specified in a will. Bequest specifically refers to something given through a will. Inheritance can refer to any property or money received from the deceased, regardless of whether it was specified in a will. Thank you so much for joining us today to explore the word bequest. We hope this video has shed light on its meanings, uses, and has helped clarify any confusions you might have had. Remember, understanding such formal and legal terms can significantly improve your English proficiency, especially in more advanced contexts. Stay curious, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video.